Hey there, and welcome to Chalkboards to Cashflow, the podcast for educators who want to build wealth through real estate without leaving the classroom. I'm your host, Michelle Cavan, and this is the place where we talk about how teachers, aides, school counselors, and educators like you can start investing and planning for a financially free future. It's for every educator who Googled how to invest in real estate but got overwhelmed. It's for the ones with student loans, a tight budget, and a big heart. I'll be bringing on guests, real teachers and others who are doing the thing, buying rentals, house hacking, doing Airbnb, co-living, even investing with zero savings. We'll break down deals in plain language, answer your questions, and show you that it is possible. I knew I had to take control of my future. I didn't want to be 65 and still hoping I could afford to retire. So I decided I'll create one. I wanted to meet other educators like me, people who love their students and their jobs, but also want more for themselves and their families. People who want financial options, not just pensions. I've been teaching for over 26 years in special education. I started in middle school, but moved to K-3 after 5 years. I love what I do, but a few years ago, life forced me to hit reset. At 44, I found myself divorced with no retirement savings outside of my teacher pension, a small salary, and a $10,000 403B, and a huge wake-up call. You can expect bi-weekly episodes, solo and interviews alike, packed with real strategies, real stories, and zero fluff. We'll also be hosting live meetups, sharing templates and cheat sheets, and creating a growing community on Facebook. If this resonates with you, I'd love to have you on this journey. Join our free Facebook group, Chalkboards to Cashflow. Follow us on Instagram at Chalkboards to Cashflow, and hit subscribe so you don't miss an episode. Thanks.